Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll be discussing about what are tags, triggers and variables in Google Tag Manager. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So I have created a doc file about tag, triggers and variable in Google Tag Manager. So let's get to know more about them. So you can see over here in Google Tag Manager, GTM, tags, triggers, and variable work together to send data from a website or app to services like Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook, LinkedIn, and etc. Okay, so let's get to know what is tag. Okay, so tags, code that sends data to a third party. So the third party could be GA4, means Google Analytics for Google Ads, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Okay, can be pre-built or custom HTML tag. Examples include the Google Analytics tag and the Google Ads conversion tag. So this is actually the tag. So let's go to the Google Tag Manager and see. So if we navigate to tag, then we can see over here we are tracking GA4. Okay, so this is third-party platform. So tags is used to track third-party platforms. So for this instance, we are tracking GA4. Okay, then let's get to know about triggers. Triggers, rules that determine when and how to fire a tag. Okay, so trigger is basically helping tag to fire. Okay, then listen for events like button clicks, form submission, or page loads. Example include click triggers, visibility triggers, and scrolling triggers. So let's go to the trigger section from GTM. So you can see over here I have created three triggers over here. One is for all element, then element visibility, then last just link. Okay, so if I go to the element visibility, then you can see over here I am using this trigger. So this trigger is used to help the tag. So if I go to the tag, then you can see over here this is our tag. So if I click on tag, then it is helping our tag to be fired. Okay, so this is the trigger. Then let's go to the variables. So variables named placeholder for values that can change can be used to create triggers that apply to tags. Example includes page URL, page path, and page host name. Okay, so let's go to over here. If we navigate to variables, then we have two types of variables. One is built-in variables, by which we can track click class, click element, click ID, click target, click text, then form text, uh, story changes, score depth, page path, page URL, then we have another one which is user-defined variable. So in the user-defined variable, we have different types of variables. So if I click on it, then you can see we have first-party cookie, then custom JavaScript, data layer variable, JavaScript variable, auto event variable, DOM element, constant variable, custom event. Okay, so we have different options over here. So if I go to the tags, then so let's go to this one, Google tag, GA4 Google tag. Okay, so this one could be variable like Google tag ID. We can create this as constant variable, or if you want to track different types of e-commerce tracking, then we can create different types of data layer variable for tracking purchase value, currency, transaction ID, then tax, coupon, those sort of things. So this is actually the variable. So here are some examples for how tags, triggers, and variables works together. For example, add to cart trigger, a trigger that sends an event to Google Analytics when someone clicks add to cart on a product page. Okay. Then page URL variable, a variable that returns the full URL of the current page. And the last one is custom JavaScript variable, a variable that can be used to create custom variables. So this is the basic definitions and examples of tag, triggers, variables. Okay, so I have shown you theoretically and practically. Okay, and in the later part of the GTM course, you will see more scenarios or insights or examples of tag triggers and variables. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you have understand the difference between tag triggers and variables in Google Tag Manager. And if you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.